Bitcoin is about to do something it hasn't done since all the way back at 5K. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? What happened next? All of that and more right here in this video. Buckle up. If you are returning, it's great to see you. If you're new here, welcome in. Do you want to have less stress and more success? You absolutely do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, hit that thumbs up button. Did you hit that button? I'm talking to you. Hit that subscribe button right now. This video is going to be incredible. It's going to put things into perspective. We're going to start with the Stochastic RSI. This is the momentum indicator that you need. And when you look at it on the 2-week chart, something becomes abundantly clear. This has correctly, accurately predicted exactly when the big momentum shift happens. A lot of people are wondering, hey, are we going to continue down in price? Are we going to be down with price for many months to come? Or are we about to be incredibly bullish and shoot up to the moon? That all can be answered with the simple stochastic RSI. Now, I do want to mention before we really jump into it and we talk about this cross that we had down here at 3,000 and we skyrocketed all the way to 14, and then we had this cross when we were down here at 5,000 and we went from 5,000 to 65 and what we're looking for here. Before we get into that, I really want to discuss the Death Cross, Golden Cross indicator. Thousands and thousands and thousands of people got our indicator. If you're one of the few that was expecting to get it and you didn't, it's definitely in your spam folder. Go look there right now. Certainly it's there. If it's not there, write me an email. If somehow you didn't get this indicator that we gave away for free to everyone in our community, you need to get it right now. This is an indicator where you can get trade alerts right to your phone or email based on major market moves. We gave it away for free, and there is a couple more days that you can get it. You can go to cryptocrewuniversity.com, click right here. You'll have it in just a few seconds. cryptocrewuniversity.com, click right here. You'll have that indicator in just a few seconds. Thank you for everybody's support. Our website crashed because so many people went to get the indicator, but now back on track with the Stochastic RSI. Again, the Stochastic RSI is a momentum play. That's you want to see the blue line cross above the orange line. When the blue line is above the orange line, we're bullish, and price generally goes up when we're bullish. When the orange line is on top of the blue line, then price goes down. We're very bearish, and you can see orange line on top of a blue line for this entire period. We went down in price because our momentum was falling. It's really as simple as that. And if you're having trouble with really understanding Bitcoin in this day-to-day chaos and roller coaster ride, take a couple steps back, look at the 2-week chart, pull up the Stochastic RSI, and sit back and relax. That's why on this channel, it's less stress and more success. Okay? So let's get into these specific crosses, because again, we haven't done this. We haven't done this since 5,000. And when we did have the cross, it went from 5,000 to $65,000, which is absurd, right? Imagine what would happen if we had the cross this time. But there is something a little bit deadly, because sometimes we have this downfall with momentum, right? And we stay below the indicator really triggers at 20, right? We stay below the 20 level for a very long period of time, more than a year. So is that going to happen where we're down here below this 20 level for more than a year? Or is it going to act like data point 1 and data point 2, which we had a cross and we went to the moon? Okay, so that's what this video is really going to break down. Now, let's talk about each move pound for pound. The key is in the creator of this Stochastic RSI says that you've got to be below 20. You have to have a cross below 20, and then you need to be above 20 to actually confirm that that cross is in fact legit. Okay, so you can see down here we were below 20, we got above 20, we had a cross, and that was our trigger time. Okay, so you can use this as a trade, but you can't. But you shouldn't use it on smaller time frames because there's a lot more false signals. If you use it just on the 2 week, then you would look like pretty much a superhero so far. Okay, so we had the cross here and we had the cross here, back at 3K and back at 5K, both of which turned out incredible. Now the thing that I'm really going to be watching is this support level at this 30K, 31K on the 2 week chart. This is what I want to watch as support. If we continue to hold that and we have a cross and we confirm above 20, I strongly believe we will create an all-time high. Okay, and that's just based on the facts in this chart. If we remain below 20, you can see history tells us, and just the facts in the chart tells us, if we cross and remain below 20, we're going to continue to be bearish. Okay, it's just the facts in the charts. And some people might say, oh my God, Steve, how come you're talking about a bullish case and a bearish case? If you want to be a professional trader, you have to look at both, right? I talk about it like as if you're a detective. Picture you're a detective. You get to a crime scene and you only look for the guilty verdict. You will only find the guilty verdict, and you don't know how to argue against the not guilty verdict. And you don't have enough facts to really make a decision, guilty or not guilty. Same with Bitcoin. If you're thinking, oh, is Bitcoin going to go up or down, and you only look for ways it can go up, you will be caught with your pants down. Time and time again. You have to look for the facts to go up and the facts to go down, and what is the confluence? What's the confluence saying? So that's what we really focus on our channel, and we talk about just the facts. The facts are this cross can happen, but it has to confirm above the 20. Plain and simple. If we have a cross above the 20, it's highly probable that we would have held this 30 as support. If those things are true, I believe we will create an all-time high just based on the facts. If we have a cross and it remains below 20, we will be in more than likely a longer bear market. And again, one of the turning points very well on the 5-day chart could have been this Dragonfly Doji, because it could have prevented us from really getting deep into that quicksand. So that's something that we did on our previous video. But again, that's the facts. This 20 level for the stochastic RSI on the 2 week chart is going to be the deciding factor, in my opinion, between staying bearish or going bullish. It's really as cut and dry, as simple as black and white as that. And again, we will look for confluence, but that's the facts in this chart. We've got tons of videos coming this week. You need to hit that subscribe button. And we're going to be doing some new videos on different concepts that you're going to absolutely love. And now, Steve's Secrets to Success is something we do at the end of every video. If you're interested to get closer to your financial freedom, listen closely. If you're not interested in success or financial freedom or having a better life, it's probably time to go to the next video. Okay, so I'll show you the next video that you'll probably love. And that's a video that we made recently. It's called Watch This Before July 1st. You definitely need to watch this before July 1st. I'll link this video right here. Click on that question box. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Just crossed 200K. Thank you to everybody that's been supporting for years. Hit that bell. Less stress, more success. Hit that thumbs up button. And again, if you got that indicator, look at your spam if you're one of the few that don't have it, or write me an email, or go get the indicator if you haven't done so already. Now, Steve's Secrets to Success. Here's what I'll say, and this is something that we talked a lot about, but it's not talked about enough on planet Earth, and that's to believe in yourself. This will carry you through everything. A lot of people wait for other people to believe in them. Oh, my friends don't believe in me. My family doesn't believe in me. My husband or wife doesn't believe in me. Those things are all irrelevant. It only matters how much you believe in yourself. Most people wait for, confirmation. Oh, my wife or husband believes in me. Irrelevant. They can believe in you all they want, but if you don't believe in yourself, you're not going to do much. Plain and simple. I don't mean to hurt your feelings, but it's just the facts. Everyone at work can believe in you. Everyone, your husband and wife can believe in you. Your friends can believe in you. But if you don't believe in yourself, you're never going to get to those goals. But the complete opposite is also true. If you really believe in yourself, like you really believe it, it's going to happen. No matter what your goal is, it will happen. I'm living proof. I know so many successful people that, I don't mean to call myself successful, I know so many successful people that also think like this. And this is the number one thing that can separate you, right? People can be smarter than you. They could work harder than you. They could be better at certain things. But if you believe in yourself, it'll carry you above everybody every time to whatever goal you want. I'll leave you on that note. We'll be back with plenty more videos this week. So hit that subscribe button. Look forward to seeing you. Let me know in the comments down below if this message connected with you. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.